Jai Hind. Jai Hind and welcome to MyCodeTips. Okay, in today's video we will discuss class and object in Objective-C. How you are creating a class, how you are creating an object. So all about this one. Okay, creating a class is it will create a Cocoa Touch class. In Objective-C, definitely it's a Cocoa Touch class. Means it's about devices. Okay, don't confuse about between Cocoa and Cocoa Touch. Cocoa in Cocoa framework uses in Mac applications. Means MacBook related applications we create. That for that we use Cocoa frameworks. And for Cocoa Touch means the applications we develop for devices, means iPhone or iPad or iPod. So this is the difference between Cocoa and Cocoa Touch. So let's come back to the classes. So whenever you create a class, suppose I will create a class. This one is the Cocoa Touch class. Okay, for Mac it will be Cocoa class. Okay, for devices, that is Cocoa Touch classes. Okay, so I have already created this one for sample classes. So it will give you the initially you will give a name to the class, just like this one. This one is the header class and this one implementer class. I have declared in header class, just like interfaces, you will define the methods, properties, data members or class members. Just like this one I have declared in classes. Okay, so to utilize this one, suppose I have given a name to the class, this one. Okay, then I have to implement that class here, that is in implementation class. And if there is any requirement for utilizing the variables or data members or data variables, so you can utilize. So moral of the story is it will give a core class, means blank class. So you will implement your logic, you will implement your data members, you will implement your class array and methods as usual. So this is a complete class. So whatever you declare here, then you have to access this class, you have to create an object, just like in different class I have just created. Before that you have to import that header file of that class, just like this one I have imported this one. Okay, then the process of creating object in Objective-C is that sample class, your class name, pointer, sample class is equal to, within a square bracket, your class name, new sample class, alloc or init. So your object is now ready. In previous video we have discussed why use alloc, why use init, and there are two other methods like init with coder, init with nib files. This one to access those data members in declare what you declared in the class, like this one string value 1, string value 2. You have to just sample object name dot string value 1. Okay, and for another value, that is 2, string value 2. That's it. So this is the process to utilize your classes or objects or data members, whatever data members you define in that header file or header classes, you will access. Okay, so this one is the your data members, whatever implementation you implement. Okay, one more thing, to access this one, get student name. Okay, one more thing, so this one, if this is a return type, what is the return type? Is string. Okay, let's say ns string initially I have just assigned to member sample ns string. So what will return? That is sample class or get student id from error, that is 1, that is nil. Okay, that's it. Got it? Done. Succeeded. Okay, so that's this ns log. Print return value from class. Okay, from print return value from class, that is student name. It returns the value student name. Okay, look at this is the student name. Okay, got it? So this is the procedure how to you can create your object, you can create a class. We'll implement or more complex classes, more complex methods or data members. Okay, I'll implement gradually in the coming sessions or coming videos. Okay, see you in next video. Thank you. Bye.